friends, welcome to the next episode of App Guide. In this episode, we will be solving some other types of problems on ages. So let us go straight away to the questions. 42nd question is, present ages of P, Q and R are in the ratio 2:5:10. The present ages of Q, R and S are in the ratio 4:8:13. What is the ratio of the present ages of P, Q, R and S? So in this question, they have given the ratios of the ages of P, Q and R as 2:5:10. Then they have given the ratios of the ages of Q, R and S as 4:8:13. We need to find out the ratio of P, Q, R and S, which means we need to find out what is P:2:Q:2R:S. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. So in order to find out this answer, what we need to do is we need to make this middle values same, which means we need to make the values of this Q same and also the values of this R same. Okay, so how can you make the values of Q same? In order to make the values of Q same, we need to multiply this by 5 by 4 and this 4 by 5. Then this both will be equal to 20. So in this method, we can make the values of Q same. But when you are multiplying this 5 by 4, you need to multiply this entire line by 4. Which means you need to multiply this 2 by 4 and also this 10 by 4. Okay. And when you are multiplying this 4 by 5, you need to multiply this entire line by 5. So you need to multiply this 8 also by 5 and this 13 also by 5. Okay. Then how can we write this? P, Q, R, S. 2 into 4 is 8. 5 into 4 is 20. 10 into 4 is 40. Here 4 into 5 is 20. 8 into 5 is 40 and 13 into 5 is 65. See, now we have made the middle values same. Automatically the values of R also became same. Okay. Now the ratio of P:2Q:2R:S will be 8:20:40:65. Okay. Hence P:2Q:2R:S will be 8:20:40:65. So this is the answer. The next question is, Ria's father was 38 years of age when she was born. Her mother was 36 years old when her brother, 4 years younger to her, was born. What is the difference between the ages of her parents? So in this question, they are telling that when Ria was born, which means when her age was 0, her father's age was 38 years. That is, when Ria's age was 0, her father's age was 38 years. Okay. Then they are telling that her mother was 36 years old when her brother, 4 years younger to her, was born. Okay. When her brother was born, her mother was 36 years old. Okay. Then they are telling that Ria's brother is 4 years younger to her. Okay. So when brother's age is 0, what would be Ria's age? That will be 4 more than this. So Ria's age will be 4 years. When Ria's age was 0, her father's age was 38. So when Ria's age is 4, what will be father's age? That will be 38 plus 4. That is 42. Now these are the present ages of Ria, her parents and brother. We need to find out the difference between the ages of her parents. Okay. So we need to find out the difference between the ages of her father and mother. That is 42 minus 36. That is equal to 6 years. So this is the answer. The next question is, a father said to his son, I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was. So in this question, a father is telling to his son that at the time of son's birth, father's age was same as that of son's present age. Okay. So a father is telling to his son that at the time of son's birth, which means when the son's age is 0, the father's age was same as that of son's present age. Okay. So let us assume the present age of son as X. Then at the time of son's birth, father's age is same as that of the present age of son. So father's age will be x at the time of his son's birth. Okay. Then they are telling that the father's age is 38 years now. So at present, father's age is given as 38. Okay. We need to find out the son's age 5 years back. So let us first find out what is the son's age at present. Okay. Then we will find out the age of son 5 years back. Okay. So see, the father is speaking this to his son x years after the birth of his son, right? X years after the birth of his son, father is speaking this to his son. So, x years after his age is 38. Okay. So, we can write this 38 as this x plus x. Okay. So, 2x is equal to 38. So, from this x is equal to 19 years. So, x is the present age of son. So, the present age of son is 19 years. But we need to find out the son's age 5 years back. If at present son's age is 19, 5 years back his age would be 19 minus 5. That is 14 years. So, this is the answer. The next question is, ratio between present ages of A and B is 5:3 respectively. The ratio between A's age 4 years ago and B's age 4 years hence is 1:1. What is the ratio between A's age 4 years hence and B's age 4 years ago? So, in this question, they have given the ratio of the present ages of A and B as 5:3. Okay. Then they have given the ratio between A's age 4 years ago. If at present A's age is A, then 4 years ago his age would be A by A minus 4. Okay. And B's age 4 years hence. B's age 4 years hence is B plus 4. Okay. So this ratio is given as 1 by 1. So from this, A minus 4 is equal to B plus 4. Or we can write this as A minus B is equal to 8. So from this, we are getting the difference between the ages of A and B as 8. Okay. We need to find out the ratio between A's age 4 years hence. A's age 4 years hence is A plus 4 and B's age 4 years ago. B's age 4 years ago will be B minus 4. So we need to find out this ratio. So first we need to know what are the ages of A and B at present. Okay. Then we can find out this ratio easily. So from here we have the difference in the ages of A and B. Okay. So what is the difference in the ratios of their ages? Difference in the ratios of their ages is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So we can represent this 2 as this 8. If we can represent this 2 as 8, what will be the value of 5? Value of 5 will be 5 into 8 divided by 2. Okay. So that will be equal to 20. Similarly, we can find out the value of 3 also. The value of 3 will be 8 into 3 divided by this 2. That will be equal to 12. So these are the present ages of A and B. Okay. So what will be this ratio? That will be 20 plus 4, that is 24 by 12 minus 4, that is 8. So this is equal to 3 by 1, or the ratio will be 3:1. So this is the answer. The next question is, Anu was married 6 years ago. Her present age is 5/4 times of marriage. Now her son's age is 1/6 of her age. If Anu was married in 2012, then the son was born in which year? So in this question they have given that Anu's present age is 5/4 times of her age at the time of marriage. Okay. They have given that she was married 6 years ago. So at the time of her marriage, her age was A minus 6. Okay. So by solving this, we will get 4A is equal to 5A minus 30. So from this, Anu's present age we can find it out as 30 years. Okay. They have also given that now her son's age is 1/6 of her age. So son's present age is 1/6 of Anu's present age. Anu's present age we found it as 30. So son's present age will be 5 years. Okay. They have given that Anu was married in 2012, and they have already given that she was married 6 years ago. Okay, so what is the present year? Present year would be 2012 plus 6, that is 2018. So the present year is 2018 and the present age of son is 5 years, which means in 2018 son is 5 years. We need to find out in which year the son was born. Okay, if at present the son is 5 years, he was born 5 years ago, right? So 2018 minus 5, that is equal to 2013. So the son was born in 2013. So this is the answer. The next question is, a person was asked to state his age in years. His reply was, take my age 3 years hence, multiply it by 3 and then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago and you will know how old I am. What was the age of the person? So in this question, a person was asked to state his age. Then he had given an explanation like this. Okay, so we need to find out the age of the person. So let us assume the present age of the person as X. Okay, then he said that take my age 3 years hence. If at present his age is X, then 3 years hence his age would be X plus 3. Multiply it by 3. Okay, so multiply this by 3 and then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. Okay, subtract 3 times his age 3 years ago. If at present his age is X, then 3 years ago his age would have been X minus 3. Okay, and you will know how old I am, which means on solving this you will get his present age, that is X. Okay, so on solving this equation we will get the value of X. Okay, and we will get the age of the person. So 3x plus 9 minus 3x plus 9 is equal to X. Okay, so from this X is equal to 18 years. Hence the present age of the person is 18 years. So this is the answer. So this was the last episode on problems on ages. I have covered almost all types of problems on ages. In the next episode, I will be back with a new topic. Do watch it. If you felt this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe it. Also press the bell button so that you get the notification when I am uploading new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.